If you go outside and you notice that your air conditioning system is turning into a block of ice and is covered with frost, you have serious problems going on. It could be indicative of a few different issues, namely low refrigerant or clogged filters. That's why you need to call NH Ross to come over before you ever turn on your equipment to make sure that you are fully functioning. We'll perform a thorough evaluation, check your refrigerant levels, change out your filters, and make sure that you avoid any costly repairs this upcoming cooling season.